Hi, I'm Dave with Moov Pool Products. Today we're going to show you how to check the power cable connection on your Moov VSP. Before gaining access to the control panel assembly, ensure the power is turned off. Locate the 3 screws on the motor housing assembly cover. Once those screws and the cover have been removed, locate the 4 screws on the bottom of the control panel assembly. Once those screws have been removed, loosen the connector of the power cable. Feed a little bit of the cord into the assembly to help lift the cover. Now that the cover is lifted, have a professional disconnect the electrical connection.